Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. It's Kay here, and I've got another project share for you, and it is another Friday freebie, although this one is rather special because it was made for me, which is just so wonderful. I can't tell you, I was absolutely shocked. I had asked Amanda Charlesworth, Scrimpingmommy, to see if she would be able to do something with Snowdrops, as they are very close to my heart and a really strong favourite of my mum in her time. And you know, I really didn't think anything more of it because Amanda's a very busy lady. And then suddenly Kay's Snowdrop appeared, and I was just blown away because it really is the most beautiful mini kit. It's been very well received on Create with Scrimpingmommy on Facebook, and this is what I have done with the kit. It's a really very simple and basic, as only I do. I think I do like things to be simple but very pretty, and all I've got here is Amazon packaging, one of their envelopes which I've cut down to size. I've kept the center pocket here. When I've cut off this bit, I've added the corner here and then decorated the papers, as you can see, to cover up all the packaging. And I am really pleased with how this has come together. It's a 4-sheet pack, a 4-sheet kit, and there are tags and cut aparts and beautiful background sheets. It's all very delicate. There's a hint of blue, and oh my word, it's been a pleasure to work with. I'll just widen out a little bit in the hope that you can see more. And if I take the things out from the little folder, you'll see the basis of the little addition. And this is made with, as I say, packaging, but were you to make it with something a lighter weight, it would actually make a very nice addition in a journal or something of that nature. But I just wanted to make something up to utilize the papers, to show the papers off, and just have something to look at, because you know, these are actually, the snowdrops are actually in the gardens at the moment, as spring is trying to wend her weary way onto the stage. But March is still with us, so we have to wait for that to disappear, clearly. So then I made a little notebook, and it's just plain inside. I think the notebooks came from the range long time ago, but they do lend themselves to this kind of thing because they've got a lovely hard back, a nice cover on the inside, and then you just decorate up the front, and you've got a lovely little pad to jot in or write in, or you know, just use for whatever purpose you would like. That fits in there really cosily. Then I made a faux file folder just for holding things in that I might not want to lose. And it's got one of my little dingle dangles on the little thumb edge there, decorated all around, and you can just see how wonderfully delicate the papers are. I've not put any glitter on this one, but the snowdrop heads and petals do lend themselves to a little bit of glitter here and there. There is some lovely touches to the overall background. There's the writing, the script. There's this lovely little diamond here which has got tiny little holes through it, and it's knotted. The lovely posy of forget-me-nots there. The beautiful little blue tit, I think it is. But how gorgeous is that? I love things that aren't too overstated and, you know, just speak volumes in their own right. Then there are the 2 tags both of which come as part of the kit. And these, you can see, I have used the stickles on a little bit of stretchy lace ribbon here, which I purchased from Amanda when she was doing her Stampin' Up stint. You can clearly write on the back if you want to, or, you know, just leave them plain. But it is such a lovely, lovely thing, and so easy to coordinate because all the hard work, of course, is done for you. You've got your floral tributes. There's a lovely little lace frame here, which sadly I had to cut about a little bit on other pages, but the detail in it all is absolutely stunning. So I've literally just finished this today, but wanted to get it out to you because what with Mother's Day at the weekend and so on, I hadn't been able to show Amanda my appreciation of this lovely, lovely tribute, and I do appreciate it very, very much indeed. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I made, and that you will wander off if you don't already belong to Create with Scrimping Mommy. It is a free group on Facebook, and then Amanda also sells her digital kits, as most people know now, on Ko-fi. This was a freebie to the group, which consequently will mean at a later date it appears on the Ko-fi site for a very, very nominal fee, and that's how Amanda makes everything work. It's all ultimately fair, and everyone in time gets a little taste of her creative apple. So thank you as always for joining me and sharing my make with you today. I hope as always that I've managed to inspire and that you've enjoyed seeing this lovely kit made up and looking absolutely gorgeous. Thanks everyone, take care, happy crafting, bye bye for now.